Hello, today we are creating a mask for TikTok with sky segmentation and a 3D object. The first is downloading RDRI. You can use a popular resource is the RDRI Heaven website. There are a huge number of free scans, free pictures, but they are standard and they need to be converted through Photoshop, so I don't like it. So for me, better to use an IE website. It creates HDRI according to the description and immediately convert to JPG format. But the picture is in high resolution and needs to be compressed. It's possible in Photoshop, but it's too cool, and you can send it to your saved messages in Telegram and download it again. Okay, move on to the effect house. I use a template because I'm too lazy to do everything from scratch, and why I should complicate it. So click import in assets panel, then cube matte. Then we remove everything unnecessary. I forgot to remove it from the assets panel, but don't forget. We do this to make the effect easier. In the assets panel, open the castle materials, find the skybox, and in the materials folder, replace the texture with hours. The sky is ready, easily and simply. Next, I just add my object. If you have a single object like me, it's better to multiply it so that it's visible to the user from all sides. The main problem, why is the material of the 3D object not displayed? Everything is simple. In the material settings, turn on the texture. Don't turn opacity. It's my mistake. After turning it on, everything is visible. But the problem with the house effects is that the texture of the glass is not visible. Unfortunately, it's difficult to do something with it, so we are waiting for updates. Well, that's all. Everything is ready. You can try the effect on my TikTok. I'm also waiting for you on my Instagram. Sorry for your attention and bye.